Hi, in this video I actually would like to show you about our 4K switcher, which is with 4 inputs and 1 output. So here's the unit. Basically on the front panel we have 6 USB ports, and the first 2 is for the cable and 1 is for the mouse. And another 4 ports which is for the KVM function, which is from the laptops. So this is the back side, and we have 4 HDMI inputs. And right now we have 4 HDMI, which is from the laptops on this side, and we have 1 input which is from the Xbox on this side, and 1 HDMI output to the TV here. So basically with the keyboard and mouse, we can just control the 3 pieces by this mouse. Basically we just can turn on by the cable, we can just turn on the function of the mouse, can cross all the 3 laptops. Just press the button. So basically with this mouse, then you can see we actually can, from the first P side, you can just press the video, then move to the second P side, press this video as well. And the YouTube, we can just jump over the advertisement. Follow a little bit the video. This one is for the Xbox. So right now we also can just use this keyboard for the source switching and also the sound switching. So like right now we actually have 4 sources, and if you want to hear the source which is from the first laptop, so we can just press the button. So now actually the sound is from this source. If you want to hear the sound from the second B side, we can just simply press the button. So we just play this video. Then we can hear the sound. If you want to hear the sound from the third P side, from the Xbox. So basically this is the, we can switch in the different sound, and also we can just switch to the source 1, make source 1 full screen. So this is from source 1 and source 2, source 3, and the Xbox source 4, source 1. If you want to back to the multi-view function, and we can just back to this one is with the multi function, and also we can switch into the different working modes. So 1 large with 3 small. Like different working modes, 2 windows.
Right now, and you can find her. She's a real person. She used to be a corporate. $1,000 in one.
Okay, so basically this is our newest switcher, and it can put the 4K 30 outputs, and also with the KVM function. Okay, thank you so much if you like this video and this product.